Om Shanti. Essence of Avyakt Murli. 26th October 2025. Title of Murli. In order to experience the stage of liberation in life at the confluence age, give all your burdens and bondages to the Father and become double light. Bap Dada said, whether a child is young or grown up, whether brave or making effort on the path, every child is still my beloved child. The Father knows that none of my children are without special qualities. The greatest virtue is that you recognize the Father who has come in an incognito form and accepted him as my Baba. You continue to remain in this joy, do you not? Because those who merely walk cannot go home with the Father flies, and so must you, by becoming an angel and remaining in that elevated stage. Further, Baba said, in view of the closeness of time, Bapdada wishes to see every child as double light. Therefore, through firm determination, continue to let go of every burden. It is rightly said, only when you let go, are you truly freed. In conclusion, Baba said, to experience liberation and liberation in life while living this Brahman life is indeed the true greatness of this spiritual path. In the golden age, there will be no knowledge of these states. This experience can be realized only now. The ultimate aim of every soul is to become equal to the Father. Therefore, let there remain no form of bondage, whether of old sanskars and nature, of this body, or of bodily relationships. Blessing for today. May you be an easy yogi and become an example to the world on the basis of following the godly codes of conduct. Details are: in order to be an example to the world, continue to follow the godly codes of conduct from Amrit Vela until night time. Especially know the importance of Amrit Vela and make your stage powerful at that time, and your life will become great throughout the day. When you fill yourself with special power at Amrit Vela and move along as an embodiment of power, you will not experience difficulty in any task. By living your life according to the codes of conduct, you will automatically make your stage of an easy yogi. Then, on seeing your life, everyone in the world will create their lives. Slogan is, give the experience of the greatness of purity with your activity and your face. Om Shanti. Avyakt Signal. Experiment on yourself and others with your mind with the powers of yoga. Souls who experiment always become victorious over their sanskars, the situations that appear through matter, and over the vices. For a yogi soul or a soul who experiments, the snake of the 5 vices becomes a garland around the neck or a stage on which to dance with happiness.